Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy oven roasted mushroom. So for this you're going to be needing some thyme, and I have 4 head of garlic that I'll be using, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And of course I have my mushrooms here. This is about 2 to 3 pounds of mushroom. And to clean my mushroom, all I'm going to be using is a piece of paper towel wet, and then just wipe the dirt off of your mushroom. You don't want these to be in water to clean them, because it's going to be super soggy when you cook them. And just cut half of the stems off, and the big ones I will cut in half, and the small to medium sized ones I will keep whole. And I have a freezer bag that I'm going to use to mix my liquids with the mushroom, just to save me time on the cleaning process. And I have a baking pan that I'll be using to bake my mushroom in. And of course you're going to need some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so to get started, you want to go ahead and place your mushrooms in that bag, you clean mushrooms. So I'm going to put in the balsamic vinegar and my soy sauce, my oil, and all I did was peeled my garlic and kind of use the back of my knife to smash it down. And then I'm going to add my thyme in there as well. And then of course some salt and pepper. The amount of salt and pepper you add is totally up to you. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Some pepper. And just close the bag. And just shake everything together. That's my oven buzzing off. Just shake up that bag. And now you want to go ahead and just open your bag and put your mushrooms in that pan. And just spread them out so it can be on a nice even layer. Just like this. And you want to go ahead and bake these at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and turn them. So you want to turn them or flip them after 10 minutes and let it continue roasting for another 10 minutes. So total of 20 minutes. My mushrooms are all done. As you can see, they shrink up like crazy, but these smell so delicious. And now all I'm going to do is take them and transfer them into my serving plate. Just take them with the juice and the herbs and the garlic. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave the link for those social media sites down in the description box for you guys to check out. They smell so good. I can smell the garlic in there, which I love. Take some of that gravy, put it on top. And then I'm going to take some of my dry parsley flake and just sprinkle on top. This will go so well with some steak or chicken breast, which I also have a steak video up on this channel, so you guys make sure you check out that video. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and please do share this channel with everyone you know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.